Did you know that America's first major military target after Pearl Harbor wasn't Japan? The attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, shocked the world and crippled the U.S. Pacific Fleet. The very next day, President Franklin D. Roosevelt addressed Congress, calling December 7th a date which will live in infamy. Congress responded by declaring war on Japan, officially bringing the United States into World War II. But here's the twist. America's first major military action wasn't directed at Japan. Instead, the U.S. turned its attention to Europe. Why? Because just days after the attack, Germany and Italy declared war on the United States. This unexpected move shifted America's focus. The Axis powers, Germany, Italy, and Japan, were working together to dominate the globe. To counter this, U.S. leaders adopted the Germany First strategy, prioritizing the defeat of Nazi Germany before fully engaging Japan. In late 1942, the United States launched its first large-scale military operation, Operation Torch. American and British forces worked together to attack Axis-controlled North Africa. American troops crossed the Atlantic, landing in Casablanca, Oran, and Algiers. This marked the start of the North Africa campaign, where Allied forces began to push back the Axis foothold. But that didn't mean the Pacific was ignored. Across the Pacific, the U.S. began fortifying key islands like Midway and Guadalcanal. These defensive positions set the stage for later offensives against Japan, ensuring the U.S. could fight on two fronts simultaneously.